Hi, welcome back. For this episode, we're going to be reviewing Boomtown Fireworks. They say they're 30 minutes from Chicago, where the locals shop. So take a look at their website. Looks like we got a little bit of cart here. So, premier Northwest Indiana fireworks supplier. So, we go over here so we can kind of see there's Dyer, Indiana. So, it looks like it's just on the other side, 30 minutes from Chicago. Pretty cool. So you go to the main page, place your order by June 26th and receive 10% free. Okay. New membership benefits, exclusive discounts, special events. Build a show, create by pickup. Ooh, let's take a look. I want to take a look at this real quick. So it says start here. So I'm going to filter by. Okay, let's go artillery. Let's see what this what options it gives me. Artillery. Update results. Oh, okay. So it's going to give me all the different aerial videos. That's kind of cool. So let's take a look at, let's go back to our main page. My little man says, hello guys. So, new, okay, so new members will receive 10% back in selected merchandise when you purchase over $200 in our retail store located 720 Joliet Street, Dyer, Indiana. We'll have more offers starting next year for new and returning members. Starting next year, if you shop ahead of time, you'll receive 10% back in merchandise when you purchase $100 or more. More details to come. So it doesn't look like they can ship, but they are. Excuse me. It doesn't look like they'll ship, but it looks like we could pick up in store. So you get some Google Map directions. See our in-store coupons. I'm looking for hours of operation and to see got a couple Roman candles, some couple cool little coupons. Let's take a look here. No items are a shopping cart. Kind of looking for any type of why Boomtown. In-store coupons, deals, safety tips, contact us. Now, I will tell you, I've actually, a few years ago, tried to order from Boomtown. And unfortunately, I got a sad email that said that they don't ship. But it's not giving me their hours of operation. So that's kind of a little disheartening. So I don't know if they're going to be open year-round or are they open only during the fireworks season. And things could change from a couple years ago. How about I just scroll down? Maybe I can see it there. So, Boomtown, hours of operation, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, 10 to 5. Sunday, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, closed. Out of season by appointment only. Okay. So, you could probably reach out to them and and kind of maybe see if you could do a pickup. So I kind of look at to see the different products that they offer. A lot of mystical fireworks, haven't heard of them, or Be High, Pop. Spirit 76, Wise Guy, heard of them. The Works, okay, Black Market brand. Okay, so a couple little different things here that I haven't seen before. So let's jump right in. So when I look at artillery shells, okay, so we've got Mini Maxed Out 24, Dreamweaver, haven't heard of that one before. $100 though. What? 48 shot 96 Break by High. And I'll probably probably mispronounce that, but of course we got Excalibur. I like how their page is set up to where you can kind of see, and they got a little video, so you actually have to go into the product. So, like for example, we've all seen Excalibur, but I haven't seen Dragon Slayer. So let's take a look at that. Dragon Slayer fireworks shells. Coming up. Okay, that's kind of cool. So we'll take a little bit. Dragon Slayer kind of look like it's a spin-off of Excalibur. They were on sale for $64.99. Okay, of course, when you're looking at it, you can do a wish list. So it looks like what you can do is you can add to cart, and they'll send it to their store. They'll package it all up for you. You pay to go pick it up, which is actually pretty cool. Kind of like that. Salute Over America, Outclass, HD, Echo in the Ear, Festival Balls. I'm going to go back a page here. Alright, we've got Taste My Venom by Legend. I've seen this at another store, but I haven't really seen a performance of it, so let's take a look at this one.
Taste My Venom.
They probably could have picked a couple of different other shells for their demo video, because I wasn't too overly impressed with that. So here we have Steel Serpent, which is a 20 shell. I haven't heard of that one. Let's take a look at this. Okay. And this is another Legend brand. Yeah, Legend. Okay, so you actually open it up. You can look at the video in there as well, so you can read. 20 shells are diameter, chrysanthemums. Some suggested items. So you got some Black Mamba, Taste My Venom, which was on sale for $64.99. Steel Venom, Black Widow. Looks like a 10 shell from RGS. Hammer Time Artillery. There's a Black Widow. So it looks like you can get 10 as opposed to 24. Whistleblower. Weapons of Beowulf. 24 collectible. All collectible item. Haven't heard of that one before, but no performance, no video. Guess they just want you to buy it and sit on and hold on to it. And we got the Black Mamba. So they have a very good Eagle's Pride. 24 shell canister. No video. So they got a really good variety of artillery shells, which is good. Relatively decent pricing on the whistling and the crackling. Your basic 1.25 inch ball shell. Zombies Revenge. $125. No video to really see if it's worth $120 or $139. Sorry. Oh, okay, so here we go. We got a case lot sale for $2.99. Black Widow and Eagle's Pride mixed box deal. 2 boxes of each. What does it say? 96 shells, 4 boxes total artillery, 16 tubes, $2.99. So basically 300 by 4, roughly about $70 a piece, a little over $70 a piece. Okay. Baby Widow. This one I'm starting to see more and more of. They're just selling the individual sleeves. So if you're kind of like me and like to mix and match different manufacturers and different brands, of course I can buy one of the Black Widow and buy one of another product. Window shaker, aerial tubes. Okay. So really again a good decent variety. Okay, so we're going to go now aerial cakes, lowest to high. So we got some Fish Frenzy, Shockers. Looks like a lot of these are Supreme. So let's just take a look at this one. Shockers B. $7 grams, 200, about 10 seconds. Not bad. Again, great little fill gap on, or stop gaps on the 200-gram finale board. So you have Dinosaur. You got your Happiest, Crackling Minds. You got some Dominator, small ones. Very good. I mean, very decent pricing on some of these smaller 200-gram cakes. Evil, $5.99, a little bit higher than what I see normal, but it's one of my favorite little 200-gram cakes, and it's got a pretty decent burst. Not as high, but you know, some really good burst for a little small 200-gram cake. So as you can tell, you know, so really not bad at all. I mean, I kind of like that. And you get Thunderstorm, Twitter Glitter, Temper Tantrum series from RGS. Haven't seen this one before. So Acting Out. Okay. Carnage Spring. So yeah, quite a few selection for under $10. Okay, you could definitely price together a good little 200-gram finale board with some of the products. Let's see if we go here now. Let's go to see if we can find the I guess I'm going to put theirs under finale pieces. Okay, so nothing lowest to high. You're looking all pretty much in the $50 range. Look for something in the $200 or $20 range. Okay, well, I'm not really seeing artillery shells, cakes. Well, let me do this. Go back to my aerial multi-shot cake. And let me sort from high to low and see what the... Oh yeah, okay, so there's some more listed here. So I'll get into like the $20 range. Let me see what we got here. Yeah, these are going to be your 500 grams. One bad mother-in-law, 50 bucks. Let's see here. We got some Spirit of 76. Okay. Wonder if I can do. No. Just gotta skip a couple of pages. I'll see if I can find anything within the $20 range that would be kind of worth really looking at to see if it's going to be any type of value. Wow, they got a lot of different 500 gram cakes. Got Mammoth Crackle by Dominator. I've seen this a little bit cheaper. Theatrical Thunder. Saw that in a different video. And Beauty Beast. Okay, so now we're starting to get down into what I'm kind of looking at. So you got Premium Purple Body Shots. So it kind of looks like this is where it starts. Now let's take a look at this Picture Perfect from RGS. 25-second cake. I actually kind of like that for 25 bucks. It's not bad. Okay. And let's move over to Roman candles. AK-180 Roman Candle Barrage. Unfortunately, no video. Let's do this. Let's sort highest to low. Basically, what I'm looking for again. So let's kind of look at the different super candles. So we got the Stun Gun. Say hello to my little friend. Master Blaster, 180 shot cannon. Ready Aim Shoot Shoot. Doodle Neon. Balls of Fire. Stampede Candle. So let's take a look at this. Again, we got the super candle racks. If you haven't checked out our video on the super candle racks, be sure to do so. Because these are perfect for those. Give a great, creative, unique display. This is a Keystone Fireworks video. Okay. And then for our standalone Roman candle racks, quite a bit of selection on the super candles, which are pretty awesome. But then you've got, okay, so then we look at Mega Blue Thunder, 4-piece, 5-ball. So 3-piece of 10-ball for $2.99. Crackling for $2.99. Okay. So they got a whole bunch of different selections on the Roman candles. Okay. And let's go on, let's look at assortments. So we have 4th of July backpack, Starlight Fighting Space, Life of Party King, Laying Down the Law, Dharma Assortment Kit. What's this? 2 sparklers, Ladybug. So this looks like this is a prepackaged from the Boomtown themselves. Okay. You got the Diwali, kind of the same thing. Rock radio bag, magic hour. So we got some Safe and Sane. So this is kind of cool if you wanted, if you live in an area that's safe and sane, or you just want to add some fountains to your show. You most definitely can do that. And then Supreme Dominance, America's Assortment, Ammo Hut, some Dominator products. Okay, so nothing really in regards to any type of cake outside of getting the additional fountains and some of the other novelty things like sparklers. Okay, now let's check out pyro shows. Okay, now this will be a little bit interesting. New Year's Eve 2012, 2000, Festival of Lights 2000, Festival of Lights 2007. Fireworks show for Festival of Lights, all products provided by Boomtown Fireworks. Okay. No earth idea what's included in that, so it'd be kind of great to give a little more explanation. Okay, so brands, No Name, Red Rhino, Shogun, Showtime. So let me go by No Name. Actually, let's go by No Name and see what they. Okay, there we go. So I kind of like how if you're a brand enthusiast, we are Creature Habits. So if I personally I want to check out Bright Star. I like Bright Star products. Well, I can actually sort by Bright Star. It's going to show me all their products, which is awesome. Some great kid novelty things here for the Andy Daddy Kids Choice displays. Magic Bunnies. I wonder what a Magic Bunny does. I haven't seen this one before. Okay, Magic Bunny. Oh, it's a dragon. Oh, Happy Dinosaur? It looks like a dragon to me. Okay. I don't know what it is, but kids love those pooping Magic Bunny. Okay, they're all kind of the same thing. Kind of the pooping, they're kind of all the pooping effects for kids who, for some reason, they love them. Happy Dinosaur. I swear it's a dragon. Venomous Snake. Ice Fountain. Artillery Shell. Supernova. Okay. So again, yeah, you can definitely sort by brands. Let's see what else there. So if I want to, let's go. We'll go Supreme. If I want to mix up the different brands, Magnum Pistol Pupper. Looks like they have a whole bunch. So I wonder if I could sort by, cut down the number of pages here on Supreme. Looks like that's one of their biggest. There's those shockers we looked at earlier. Colored snakes. Okay. I definitely like their the layout, and it definitely has got a bunch of products that through other carriers don't carry, which is a great thing. So you can mix and match, and if you're setting up racks of artillery shells, you can get 3 or 4 different brands. I mean, just RGS, Black Mamba, Eagle Pride, Excalibur. There's 4 of them right there. Of course, according to this last year, $2.99 for basically a case. So you have 4 different brands right there. Yeah, it looks like you have a 5th one, a 6th one. Cool. Nightmares Triple Breaks. So again, this looks like a very good location. If you haven't been in to do a a store tour, go ahead and do that. I believe there are some already store tours online through YouTube, which are pretty cool. It's always great to look at the store tours. I personally, of course, because of where I live, I like to do the online. So if I ever, before 4th of July, I'm up in and around the Chicagoland area, then of course, again, I can put together my little shopping cart. So I know exactly how much it's going to be, pretty much send it to them, and then go pick it up at the store during sales time. Or I can set up off season based off of out of season by appointment only. So definitely have that option. So, okay. So with that, again, this is Boomtown Fireworks based out of Dwyer, Indiana. And again, thank you for watching. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe to our channel. You can also like and follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and Instagram, where our mission is to help you light up the sky.